Good morning, students. Now, today we are just going to learn about the second chapter of 8th class CBSE, that is the linear equation in one variable. So, now we just firstly take the introduction of linear equation, or what is the meaning of variables. Now, for this we take one example. If we go to the shop and just we take the chocolates from the shop, and suppose we take the 4 chocolates and we pay 10 rupees to the shopkeeper, and if the shopkeeper return us 2 rupees, then tell me how much the cost of one chocolate. Yes, exactly, 4 chocolates, we take 4 chocolates and offer 10 rupees, shopkeeper gives us 2 rupees. How much one chocolate? Exactly, it is of 2 rupees. So this is a simple expression, this simple example, we can convert it in the mathematical form using the variable, and that is called a linear equation in one variable. Let us take some examples here. So there are some examples. Let us see here the linear equation in one variable. There is an algebraic expressions and equations. So there is a difference between expression and equation. So we can see here what is the difference here. So I take here some expressions as 3x, first expression. Then second expression is minus 8 plus 8y plus 11. It contains again the algebraic variable here y. Second expression is 3x square minus 8x plus 5. Then 5x minus plus 2y and 3xyz plus 6x square. All these are the algebraic expressions. But algebraic expressions has different form. We consider here linear equation. So linear equation क्या रहेगा? तो ये हो गए algebraic expressions. अभी हम देखते हैं equations क्या होते हैं. So now we take here some examples of equations. So equations means the algebraic expression having two sides. यहाँ पे हम देखेंगे कि इक्वल टू है, तो इक्वल टू के लेफ्ट वाला जो साइड रहेगा इसे हम कहेंगे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ऑफ द इक्वेशन, एंड इक्वल टू के राइट हैंड साइड में जो रहेगा इसे कहेंगे हम राइट हैंड साइड ऑफ द इक्वेशन. सो बोथ द कंटेन्स बोथ आइदर में बोथ द कंटेन्स द expressions also. This is algebraic expressions or algebraic linear equation in one variable. But this is not. Why? So here the power of this equation is 2 and it contains the 3 terms. So this is the left term and this is the right term. This is also the equation, but it contains the 2 variables, variable x and variable y. So among these, what is the linear equation in one variable? Here are some examples of linear equation. The definition is an algebraic expression having highest power of variable and containing only one variable is one. ऐसी इक्वेशंस जिसमें algebraic expressions का जो हाईएस्ट पावर रहेगा वो वन रहेगा, वेरिएबल का हाईएस्ट पावर वन रहेगा और उसमें वन ही वेरिएबल रहेगा. Such equations is called linear equation in one variable. Here is some example. See that first example is 4x plus 2 equals to 10. अभी जो हमने example लिया था, that example is 4x plus 2 equals to 10. Second expression, it contains only one variable x and the power is only 1 and the variable is on only left side. Second expression is 2x minus 3 is equals to x plus 2. So where is again? It contains the variable x, but it is on both the side of equal side. Then the variable, the power of variable is only again 1. And this is the third example. 6x plus 1 by 3 plus 1 is equals to x minus 3 by 6. So this is the third algebraic expression. Now we take here solving linear equation. Solve the following equation. The first example is x minus 2 is equals to 7. Now we solve this equation as, now this variable x is on left side and there is again a number minus 2. So to cancel this minus 2 we add 2 on both sides. If we add 2 on both sides, the expression become x minus 2 plus 2 is equals to 7 plus 2. As we know that minus 2 and plus 2 are cancelled, therefore we remains here x and the value of x is 9. So this is the solution x is equals to 9. Now we have here second example, x by 3 plus 1 is equals to 7 by 15. To solve this equation means to find the value of x, we have considered the solution. Here is the solution. So as we know that we have to find the value of x, there is a plus 1 in addition. So firstly we transpose plus 1 to right hand side. Now when we transpose plus 1 to right hand side, we get here x by 3 is equals to, already here is a 7 by 15. प्लस 1 गोज टू राइट हैंड साइड. हमें पता है कि अगर किसी नंबर्स को हम साइड चेंज करते हैं देन उसका साइन भी होता है चेंज, लाइक दिस वे. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल अगर किसी लड़की की शादी हो जाती है, वो अगर अपने ससुराल जाती है तो वहाँ पे वो बन जाती है बहू. तो ये जैसे रिलेशन चेंज होता है वैसे ही यहाँ पे हमें प्लस 1 का यहाँ पे हो जाता है माइनस 1. नाउ हियर इज वी गेट 7 by 15. We take here the cross multiplication. So 1 into 15 that is equals to 15. Left hand side will be as it is. Then 1 into 15 that is equals to 15. So we get 7 minus 15 and that becomes minus 8 by 15. Now to find the value of x, we again transpose 3 to the right hand side. Now to cancelize this 3, we just multiply both the side by 3. मल्टीप्लाई बाई 3 बोथ साइड. अगर हम 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो हमें मिलेगा x बाई 3 इंटू 3 इज इक्वल टू माइनस 8 बाई 15 इंटू 3. सो यहाँ पे 3 and 3 becomes cancel. So we get here x is equals to minus 8. 3 5s are 15. So 5 will become 3 factor is cancel. So we get here x is equals to minus 8 by 5 and this is the solution.